Hello everyone, today I will going to show you how to download XTR patch to Team Fortress 2. First off, all you need to download Team Fortress 2 from Steam. After that you will right click on it and go to properties, then go to betas and then choose pre-jungle inferno demos. After that you have to download XTR patch, which will be the link in the description. When the download is done, open the patch, then choose Team Fortress 2 and install it. After it's done, press the play button. And here it is, everything is done. If you got any problem, tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.